In this session, we are going to discuss about the cockroach morphology, okay? And this topic belongs to your chapter Structural Organization in Animals. Yes, hello everyone. Hope all you are doing so well and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about the cockroach morphology, okay? And this topic belongs to your chapter Structural Organization in Animals. But in this session, we are only going to talk about the cockroach morphology, and in next session, we will going to talk about the cockroach anatomy, okay? So let's start with the morphology. So if we talk about the classification of cockroach, see in your syllabus the Periplanetia americana is given. There is like two type of cockroach, the Beta orientalis and the Periplanetia americana. But Beta orientalis is not in your syllabus, so you do not have to do it. You just have to do it your Periplanetia americana, okay? If we talk about the size of general cockroach, so their size is like 1/4 to 3 inches, okay? And if you see their size in centimeters, so their size is about 0.6 centimeter to 7.6 centimeter, okay? And according to the habitat and according to the geographical area, the cockroach have different color. Like some of cockroach have bright red color, some of them are yellow color, or some of them are green in color. Yes, they are so colorful. Basically, it depends on the geography. And but in your syllabus, you have Periplanetia americana, and their size is 34 to 53 mm, and they are generally black and brown body color they have, okay? And they comes from America, that's why they are known as the Periplanetia americana. This is scientific name of cockroach, okay? So scientific name of cockroach is Periplanetia americana. And cockroach belongs to which kingdom? It belongs to your kingdom Animalia. And belongs to which phylum? It belongs to phylum Arthropoda. And as you know that the Arthropoda is the largest phylum, okay? We have so many phylums, yes. If you remember your chapter Animal Kingdom, the phylum starts from the Porifera and end it on the Chordata. Okay, so we have Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, and Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusk, Escalmanthus, Platyhelminthes, etc. So in above all of the phylum, we have a largest phylum, that is your Arthropoda, and the second largest phylum is your Mollusca. Okay, so their phylum is Arthropoda and it belongs to the class Insecta. And if we talk with respect to habitat of cockroach, so their habitat is warm, okay? They generally found in a warm area. They found in dark places. Mostly cockroaches found between the cracks of walls, okay? And also they found near the damp places which is moist in nature, okay? That's why अगर तुम notice करोगे तो cockroach sink area के पास ज़्यादा मिलते हैं, okay? And also their habit is nocturnal. They are nocturnal. The nocturnal means those who active during the night time. Generally आप notice करोगे तो cockroach आपको daylight में कम नजर आएंगे as comparison to the night. Night में cockroach ज़्यादा active होते हैं because they are nocturnal animals. Okay, the animals which active during the daytime, they are known as the diurnal animals. Okay, and cockroach are omnivorous. Omnivorous means they can eat everything, even though they can eat clothes, they can eat leathers, okay? They can eat their own species too, okay? ये ऐसे होते हैं कि अपनी खुद की species को भी खा जाते हैं, and this property is known as the cannibalism property, okay? Next, cockroach are cursorial. Cursorial means those who can run very fast because they have jointed appendages, okay? So these are some basic classifications about your cockroach. Next we have a morphology. The body of cockroach is dorso-ventrally flattened. Dorso-ventrally flattened means, suppose this is the dorsal side of cockroach body, the posterior side, and this is the ventral side of the cockroach body, the inferior side. If you see their body from the dorsal side and from the ventral side, it is completely flattened, okay, and their body is also elongated, okay, and they have a bilateral type of body symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means body can be divided into two equal half but by passing through only one plane. इनकी बॉडी आप दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकती हो, बट हियर इज अ टर्म एंड कंडीशन, you have to divide it by through only one plane, okay. The next is the length is, as I told you, their length is 34 to 53 mm and very important according to your need point of view. And the next is the color is reddish brown in color, and the body of cockroach is segmented, means external side their body is divided into the segments like this, and when we dissect the cockroach body, so internally segments are also present, and this type of segmentation is known as the metameric segmentation, okay. Cockroach have what? Cockroach have metameric segmentation. The next is they have a wings, okay. So the cockroach male also have a wing, and in female wings are also present. But what's the difference here? The male have a extended wings beyond the abdomen, but females have a shorter wings as comparison to the male. So on the basis of that, we can do sexual dimorphism. What is sexual dimorphism? Where you can differentiate it between the male species and the female species. Okay? आप इनकी एक्सटर्नल मॉर्फोलॉजी से मेल और फीमेल का पता लगा सकती है, क्योंकि मेल के जो विंग्स होते हैं, सपोज दिस इज द मेल बॉडी, ओके, so their wing is extend beyond the tip of this abdomen, okay. But if this is a female cockroach, their wings is present only at the abdomen, क्योंकि छोटे होते हैं. The next cockroach are unisexual organisms, okay. These are unisexual organisms. The next, the phylum Arthropoda. Their body is usually divided into how many parts? Their body is usually divided into the three parts. The one is head, the second is thorax, and the third is abdomen. Okay. So similarly, cockroach body is also divided into the three parts. Next, you can see here the head part. Yes, here they have a thorax, and this is a abdomen part. In their abdomen, if you see here the segment, total 10 segment is present. Okay, how many segments are present in the abdomen? Total 10 segment is present. Okay. I am giving you here a general idea about the cockroach morphology. One by one, we will going to discuss each and everything in detail. Okay. Suppose this is a cockroach body. So cockroach body is divided into how many parts? The three parts. Okay. Suppose this is the head. The next they have a thorax. Their thorax have three parts. Okay. They have prothorax. This is mesothorax, and this is the metathorax. Okay. The next part they have what? The next they have abdomen. Okay. Suppose this is the abdomen. This is the abdomen. So their body is divided how many parts? The three parts. What are these three parts? This is the head. Okay. The next, this is the thorax. Okay. And thorax have how many parts? Three parts. Suppose this is the prothorax, and this one is your mesothorax, and this one is the metathorax. Okay. And next, this part is known as the abdomen part. In abdomen, how many segments are present? Total 10 segments are present. Okay. So I am making here are segments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the 10. Total 10 segments are present in their abdomen region. Okay. If we talk with respect to head, so head have a pair of eye. Okay. They have a pair of eye which is known as the compound eye. Okay. In cockroach, two type of eye is present. The one is simple eye and the second is compound eye. Simple eye, also known as the ocellus, but it is vestigial. The compound eye is responsible for vision, that we will discuss. Okay, and from their head part, the one pair of antennae is attached. Okay, from their head parts, what are attached? The antennae attached. Okay, antennae, their function is helping monitoring of the environment. The next, in their abdomen, total 10 segments are present. Okay, from the mesothorax, one pair of wings are attached, and from the metathorax, one pair of wings are attached. Okay, see here, from the mesothorax, here the one pair of wings are attached, that is known as the forewing. Forewing are also known as the tegmina, and tegmina is also known as the elytra. Okay, the next, from the metathorax, the one pair of wings are also attached, that is known as the hind wing. Okay, see, this forewing are responsible for the protection. They just cover the abdominal part, but the hind wings, they are responsible for flight. Cockroach have two pair of wings. The one is forewings and the next is hind wings. Forewings responsible for protection. They just provided the protection because it is made up of a chitin layer. But hind wing, it is thin and it is transparent in nature, and this one is responsible for flight. आपने कॉकरोच को बहुत लंबी ऊंची उड़ाने भरते हुए तो नहीं देखा होगा. कॉकरोच बस थोड़ा सा फड़फड़ाता है और थोड़ा ही डिस्टेंस कवर कर पाता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज एक ही पेयर उसके रिस्पॉन्सिबल है फ्लाइट के लिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, फ्रॉम द एब्डोमेन, द टू थिंग्स आर प्रेजेंट इन देयर एब्डोमेन रीजन. द वन इज एनल स्टाइल. ओके, एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज बहुत बार नीट में से क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. एनल स्टाइल ओनली प्रेजेंट इन मेल. ओके, एनल स्टाइल प्रेजेंट only in male. Okay, this is not present in female, so on the basis of that you can also do the sexual dimorphism. Okay, next structure is present which is known as the anal cerci. Suppose this is what? Anal cerci. Anal cerci is a structure, it is a basically sensory structure which is responsible for detection of the vibration, and this anal cerci present in both. Okay, anal cerci present in male as well as present in the female. So this is the structure of your cockroach body. The body divided into three parts: head, thorax, abdomen. Head have one pair of antennae and the pair of eye. Okay, the thorax have three parts: the prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. From the mesothorax, one pair of forewings are attached, and from the metathorax, one pair of hind wings are attached. Abdomen have 10 segments, and in the end of the abdomen, two things are present: the anal style and anal cerci. But anal style and anal cerci, sorry, both present in male, but female have only anal cerci. Okay, so this is the structure of your cockroach body. The next, let's talk about the exoskeleton. Their exoskeleton means the skeletal system which is present outside of the body. Okay, so their exoskeleton is made up of chitin layer. Okay, which is a polysaccharide, and this chitin layer is present in the form of plates which is known as sclerites. Okay, कॉकरोच की जो बॉडी का बाहर का जो कवरिंग होती है वो काइटिन की बनी हुई होती है, और यहाँ पर काइटिन की जो लेयर होती है वो ऐसी प्लेट्स की फॉर्म में अरेंज होती है. आप किसी इस इमेज में देख रहे हो. ठीक है, एंड इस अरेंजमेंट्स ऑफ काइटिन लेयर इट इज नोन एज द स्क्लेराइट्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, suppose this is the dorsal side of cockroach body. So dorsal side they have a different sclerite, ventral side they have a different sclerite, and the lateral side they have a different sclerite. Okay, this is the dorsal side, this is ventral side, and this is the lateral side. Okay, the dorsal side sclerite is present which is known as the tergite. Okay, डॉर्सल साइड कौन सी स्क्लेराइट होगी? टर्गाइट. ओके, एंड लेटरल साइड प्रेजेंट होगा प्लूरॉन, एंड वेंट्रल साइड प्रेजेंट होता है स्टर्नाइट. ओके, टर्गाइट, प्लूरॉन, स्टर्नाइट वी आर यूजिंग फॉर द प्लूरल. If you want to indicate only one single sclerite, then we are going to use singular term, and tergum we are using for the singular. Okay. Similarly, pleura we are using for the singular, and the sterna we are using for the singular. Okay. And all these sclerite, they are joined together by a membrane, and this membrane is known as the arthrodial membrane. ये सारी स्क्लेराइट एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई होती हैं, एंड उस मेम्ब्रेन का नाम होता है आर्थ्रोडियल मेम्ब्रेन. आर्थ्रो वर्ड वी आर यूजिंग फॉर व्हाट? आर्थ्रो वर्ड वी आर यूजिंग फॉर जॉइंट्स ना. नेक्स्ट, arthrodial membrane are also known as the articulating membrane. Why it is known as the articulating membrane? When cockroach moves, जब ये cockroach move करेगा तो ये जो membranes होती हैं, जो its sternite होती है, एक दूसरे के ऊपर articulate करती हैं. That's why it is known as the articulating membrane. Okay. Next, between the dorsal sclerite and between the ventral sclerite, a muscle is present. Okay. यहाँ पर muscle present होती है between dorsal और the ventral side, and इस muscle का नाम होता है tergosternal muscle. And the name of this muscle is tergosternal muscle, which is responsible for respiration process. Okay, which is responsible for what? Which is responsible for respiration process. Okay, so that's how this sclerite is present in cockroach body, and this sclerites are what? The chitin layer, which is present in the form of plates. Okay. You see in this picture, these are the sclerites, and they all join together with the help of this arthrodial membrane. Okay. So let's read. They are made up of chitin layer. Here the chitin is present in the form of plate, which is known as the sclerite, and they are present on dorsal side, ventral side, and the lateral side. Okay. Next, the sclerite are joined with the help of articular membrane, and also known as the arthrodial membrane. Okay. The next we have head of the cockroach body. And one more thing, there are different, see, cockroach have a metameric segmentation, yes, but when cockroach were in the embryonic development, they have different segments, but when cockroach become adults, they have different segments. Okay. जब वो एम्ब्रियो होता है तब उसके अंदर अलग सेगमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होता है, सेगमेंट्स का डिफरेंट काउंट होता है. जब वो अपनी एडल्ट स्टेज में रीच करता है तब उसके पास डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ओके, सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द सेगमेंट्स ऑफ एम्ब्रियो कॉकरोच एंड ऑफ द एडल्ट कॉकरोच. ओके, सो देयर बॉडी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स? द हेड, thorax and the abdomen. The head, when the cockroach were in the embryonic development, in their head they have total 6 segments, but the 6 membranes fuse together and becomes the one segment. Okay, in thorax 3 segments, and in adult only 3. Okay, there is no change. But in abdomen they have 11 segments, and in adult they have total 10 segments. Okay, so how many total segments are present in embryonic stage of cockroach? The total 20. Okay, this is your total. And in adult they have total 14 segments. Okay, so this is important, and this is important according to your NEET point of view. Okay, see this. Next, talk about the head of cockroach, and their head is roughly triangular, and their head is present at the 90-degree angle of the body axis. Okay, suppose this is the cockroach body. Here the head is present at the 90-degree of angle, and their head and the mouth part is downwards, so they have a hypogonethous type of mouth. Okay, and when cockroach were in embryonic development, they have total 6 segments in their head, but when it reaches to the adult stage, the 6 membranes fuse together and become the one. Okay, so see, they have a see, suppose the cockroach head. Okay, suppose this is the cockroach head. So this side is present which layer? The ventral side is present the frons layer of sclerite, and the dorsal side is present vertex. Okay, suppose this is the dorsal side. Dorsal side is present the vertex, and the ventral side is present the your frons layer, and the lateral side is present the gena, and the downward side, this downward side is present the clypeus. Okay, because हेड में भी डिफरेंट स्क्लेराइट होंगी ना, कुछ पार्ट हेड का फ्रंटल व्यू कर रहा है, कुछ डॉर्सल साइड है, कुछ लेटरल साइड है. ओके, सपोज दिस इज द कॉकरोच हेड. So this is what? This is the dorsal side, this is the lateral side, and this is the ventral side. Okay, so dorsal side, which sclerite is present? Dorsal side is present the vertex, and lateral side होती है gena. Okay, and ventral side present होता है clypeus. Okay, this is what? This is clypeus. एंड ये जो ऐसे ये इंटीरियरली जो फेस होता है, ये ऐसे किससे कवर होता है? फ्रॉन्स की लेयर से. दिस इज कवर्ड बाय दी फ्रॉन्स. नाउ द क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम वेयर? द माउथ पार्ट ऑफ कॉकरोच इज अटैच विद विच पार्ट ऑफ हेड? दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. आपसे एग्जामिनर कहाँ से पूछेगा कि जो माउथ पार्ट होता है कॉकरोच का, वो किस पार्ट ऑफ हेड से अटैच्ड होता है? So the mouth part of cockroach is attached with the clypeus. Okay, very important this is. Okay, so mark this as important. Next, the head of cockroach is roughly triangular. It present at right angle to the body, and mouth parts are directed downwards, so they have a hypogonethous type of mouth. And head is formed by the fusion of 6 embryonic segments, and the head is attached to the body of cockroach with the help of a flexible muscular neck. They can articulate in every position because they have a flexibility in their neck. Okay, the next, see, their mouth parts are responsible for what? Their mouth parts are responsible for biting and chewing type. Okay, the cockroach mouth parts are responsible for the biting and the chewing, and they have a different parts in their mouths: the labrum, labium, hypopharynx, the maxillae, and the mandible. Okay, see, this is the diagram which is given in your NCERT, and also if you see the last year of paper, so many times the NEET examiner was asked question from this part. Okay, so first point is that mouth part is attached with which part of head? That is your clypeus. And how many parts are present in the mouth? The labrum. Labrum is considered as a upper lip. Labium is considered as a lower lip. Hypopharynx here act as a tongue. The maxillae, this one, suppose आपकी भी तो suppose क्या maxillae तो हमारे भी हैं, तो hypomaxillae it have a sensory pulp which is responsible for olfactory and the gustatory. The mandible, that side is mandible is present, which have a sharp chitinous teeth and which is responsible for piercing and biting. Okay, so this is what? This is a labrum which is considered as the upper lip, and this is your labium which is a lower lip, and this is the maxillae. Maxillae contains the sensory pulp, and this sensory pulp are for what? This sensory pulp are for the olfaction and the gustatory, and this hypopharynx here, it acts as a tongue, and this mandible have a sharp, you can see here, these are the sharp chitinous teeth which is responsible for the piercing and tearing. Okay, next, this labium is also considered as a secondary maxillae. Why we consider them as a secondary maxillae? Because it also contains the sensory pulp. Okay, the next, the antennae. Antennae present where? Suppose this is the head of cockroach. Here the antennae are present. Antennae present on the head, and antennae contains some receptors which is responsible for monitoring of the environment. Antennae is a structure which is responsible for the collecting the different information. It is a sensory structure, that's why it collects the information. Because in antennae, 3 type of receptors are present. The one is your tactile receptor, thermal receptor, and olfaction receptor. Tactile receptor responsible for touch, olfaction receptor present for smell, and the last one, the thermal receptor present for heat. Okay, तो आप मोस्टली देखोगे कॉकरोच दे आर मोस्टली फाउंड इन अ किचन एरिया. व्हाई? Because they have a very good olfaction, they can smell the food, that's why they found in a kitchen area. एंड व्हेन यू टच कॉकरोच, द कॉकरोच रन वेरी फास्ट ना, आप जैसे टच करोगे तो बहुत तेज भाग जाता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे हैव अ टच रिसेप्टर्स. ओके, and also they have a thermal receptors for the heat. Okay, so that's it for the today. The rest of the thing we will going to discuss in our next class. Okay, thank you so much.